Hi, my name is Kylie, just hopping on quickly to give my honest review on the Amazon Basics silicone baking mat. So we've been using these for years now, and I love that I do not have to clean like my big cookie sheets anymore. This is way easier to clean. You can just pop it in the dishwasher or just quickly hand wash it. But also the game-changing thing is no more cooking spray. Sometimes I feel like when I would spray my cookie sheet, I don't know, I just feel like it tastes a little bit weird, like it comes onto the cookies. So this completely solved the problem because you don't need any oil or butter or cooking spray. You just set this right on your cookie sheet, and it's completely non-stick, so I haven't had any problems with it sticking. And overall, this thing is a life changer, really easy to store too because they're just like super thin. Highly recommend these for anyone in the kitchen.